Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to be unboxing this Apple pen. This is from a ballpoint pen purchased at the Apple Visitor Center in Cupertino. So they have special merchandise there, special swag, shirts and all that. So this is where I got this from. All right, so it's wrapped in plastic. Ah, cool. Got it off. Wow. It's a nice, like, gold color. Apple logo here. It's a retro 1951. Turn it to bring the tip out and to retract it. Very cool. Very cool official Apple merch pen. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.